Hello ladies, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how I color correct and brighten my eye area. First I'm going in with my buff brush into my color correcting highlight, which is called Mango. And Mango does a great job at correcting blue and purple tones that you may have around your eye area. I'm using a stippling motion and tapping in very minimal product under my eye and on my eyelid. And once I get this on my eye, I'm going to take my damp Perfector sponge, this is also by Saint, and I'm just pressing in that mango to blend it. Now I'm going to go in with my brightening highlight, which is called Aura, and this Aura I'm placing, again, very minimal product in the far inner corner and the far outer corner. And now I'm going to take my Perfector sponge again, and just in stippling motions, just tap and blend that aura all around my eye area, making sure that I'm getting all the excess makeup from my fine lines and wrinkles under my eyes. Now I'm going in with my Perfector sponge again into my translucent setting powder, and I'm just going to tap that and press that powder in so that it locks the makeup in and doesn't move all day. And that's it. Add a little mascara and eyeshadow and we're done. Thanks for watching.